turnovers, but in the end, you just need to make a few more shots.
Yeah, we need to do step over confidence and make shots. Unfortunately, some of them didn't fall. A lot of them failed, but the big ones that mattered, they didn't go down tonight. We fought the game plan well. I'm proud of the guys. They stepped up through adversity and played and stuck to the game. Our game plan was just try to pressure the ball, play against a great team. I give them the credit, but I also give my guys a lot of credit for stepping up and just playing their butts off. That's all we got. Play hard, execute, try to minimize mistakes. As a team like LSU, you can't make a lot of mistakes. They capitalize off your mistakes. So you got to limit your mistakes, stay disciplined, stay the course. I'm proud of the guys and how they tried to stay the course. But unfortunately, shots didn't fall for us. And there's a couple defensive possessions that we wish we could have got back, but we went in the opposite direction. So
Epenesa was a load inside too.
Yeah, he's a load. He's strong, physical, athletic. The total package when it comes to a power forward. So he stepped up and did his job as one of the team leaders.
You guys shot 20 threes in the first half. Was that part of the plan to go out and try to hit them hard with some threes and get them on the airless?
Yeah, we knew that they was going to pack it in. And all week we prepared just for stepping up, making shots. We shot a lot of shots in practice all week, from the wings, from the corners, knowing that that's how they was going to play us. And, some went in, some didn't. That's basketball. It goes like that sometimes. You get in the rhythm, you knock shots down. You pick up a couple fouls, you sit down. Get kind of cold. We get back in there, it's like kind of out of rhythm. That's what we ran into today.
Yeah, you guys normally have had a big score now, but tonight nobody in double figures. You had two, three guys with 9, and then 8. So you normally had a guy who stepped up and maybe had a big game for you.
Yeah, it was a balanced attack.